Hello kids, let's learn alphabet A to Z. A is for apple. B is for basketball. C is for cat. D is for donut. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for guitar. H is for house. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. L is for leaf. M is for moon. N is for newspaper. O is for ostrich. P is for pumpkin. Q is for quail. R is for rose. S is for seal. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra. Please like, share and subscribe Bacho ki Duniya.
Alif sa anar, Bay sa bili, Pay sa patang, Tay sa titli, Tay sa taamatar, Say sa samar, Jem sa jota, Chay sa choza, Hay sa hajam, Kay sa kargosh. Dal sa darakat, Dal sa drum, Zaal sa zakhira. Ray sa railgari, Otay sa pahar, Zay sa zebra, Ya ay sa yalabari, Sin sa saib, Shin sa share, Suad sa sabon, Zuad sa zaif, Tuay sa tuta, Zuay sa zarif. Ayin sa aynak, Gayan sa gubara, Fay sa fawara, Kaaf sa kalam, Gaaf sa gajar, Laam sa lato, Mem sa mur, Noon sa naak, wa usawagon hay sa hati. Hamza sa chai, ya sa yaka,
Hello kids, let's learn A to Z with food. A is for apple. B is for broccoli. C is for cake. D is for donut. E is for egg.
F is for French fries. G, E, E is for grapes. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream. G is for jelly. K is for ketchup. L is for lime. M is for milk. N is for nuggets. O is for orange. P is for pizza. Q is for quesadilla. R is for radish. C is for steak. T is for taco. U is for udon noodles. V is for vegetables. W is for watermelon. X is for Hemania. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Like, share, and subscribe. Bacho ki Duniya. Bye bye, kids.
Hello kids, let's count 1, 2, 3, count with me. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.